Good afternoon, everyone. Uh, I hope the first two sessions today of economics and FT went well. Uh, there are few expectations from my side for y'all. Okay, those are basic expectations, and I wish that if you can fulfill those. Till now, I have all the batches who fulfill those expectations, and I hope that your batch as well will fulfill. The expectation is that please respond to me whenever I ask you all questions. I would prefer you all asking me as well as talking to me by unmuting yourself. But in some cases, if you do not wish to or if you cannot unmute yourself, you can write down in chat and I'll be happily communicating with you. So that is the one expectation what I have is that please communicate to me whatever may be the case, that whether you don't understand I teach you, whether you don't understand somebody else is who is teaching you, whether you have some concerns about way of teaching, whatever it is, if you can come, if you communicate to us or to me rather, then and then only I will come to know, or I request you to please mute yourself. Yes, thank you so much. So then only I and we will come to know about problems faced by you all, and then we can have some resolution. If you do not speak, then there is a simple notion in our head that everything is going correctly. So I request that at any given point of time, if you have any concerns, any queries, anything, whether it is in respect to my subject, other subject, if you communicate to me, then we can have a solution out of it. Point number one. Number two, are you all, do you want me to share my screen on a mobile phone and show you various things which are available and which we expect you to know on MS Teams, or you all have already gone through it? Do you
So
want
like
me
what? So like what?
about how to check what is the calendar, how to check, how to chat with someone, how to write down messages in the group or write down message during a lecture? Do you
So we
want
are
those
aware of those settings, of
things?
those options.
Yeah, so basically those people, those students who were there in our college, they must be using a team, so they know about it. But is there anyone, or is it something like where I can show you for 5 minutes quickly and that's done? Because even the assignments will be taken on MST. So that's how important it is for you to, remember your MS Teams ID, password, and the use of it. Uh, just give me a moment. I'll share my screen on my mobile phone and show you, so that even if there is even a single person in the class, they can just look at it and go ahead. Yes. I hope my phone screen is visible to you all.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if you see, your teams will look something like this. At the bottom of the page, you have first at activity. Then you have, I'm so sorry. Yes. So at the bottom of the page, you will have activity. Then you will have chat. Then you will have teams, assignment, and calendar. Is this the way it looks for you all, or is it something different?
Yes, sir. The same.
No,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
it's the
Okay.
same.
Okay. So, the first and the foremost important thing is that calendar is the most important thing. You will get to know your lectures from the calendar. So tomorrow, if you see, you will already see a timetable for your, wherein you have business economics at 10 to 11:40. Then you have commerce 1 12 to 1:40. Yes, you can see other timetables as well in my screen because I am part of other group. So I will have all those timetables. But for you, it will be only first year batch timetable, wherein if you go to calendar right now, you will be able to see business economics 10 to 11:40 and commerce 1 12 to 1:40 for tomorrow. So from the calendar, you will be able to see everything. Uh, After few days, we will stop sending you link onto WhatsApp group for joining the lecture. Will send you to the WhatsApp group only till everyone is at par and everyone has login. Post that, you will have to join the lecture with the option available over here. Besides business economics, you can see join, right? So when you press on join, you will join that particular lecture. So we will after a point of time, we will not send you the link. You will have to automatically join through the join option available with you. So this is the one thing. Secondly, when you click on assignment, besides calendar, you will see assignment. Over here, you will find assignments for you. I can see all the assignments of PY, SY, you can see, right? Same way, you will be able to see assignments for you, whatever are available. So you will have to click on that. See, everything will be written. What is the assignment all about? What will be the due date and time? So once you click on it, you will get to know what you are supposed to do. Anyways, we as teachers will tell you that the assignment has been marked to you, and you have to complete X, Y, and Z. We'll explain you in the lecture, and the same thing you will have to do over here while submitting the assignments. Is that fine?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now coming to the point of your attendance record. Your attendance, as we mentioned to you yesterday, will be recorded offline as well as online. Now, how online, how offline? During the lecture, at any given point of time, whenever the teacher wishes to, may call out the numbers. That means what I normally do is, I will say that roll number 1 to 10, call out your numbers, and I will start marking your attendance. then 11 to 20, 21 to 30, and so on. I will mark. And then at the end of the lecture, when we end this meeting, MS Teams will give us a report saying that what is the attendance, when a particular student joined in, when a particular student was logged out. Everything will be given to us. If you join in and join out multiple times, even that information we will get to know about it. So based on that, we get to know that what was the total amount of time which you have attended in a lecture. Say for example, the lecture was for 100 minutes and you have attended about say 85-90 minutes. So that's fine. We can understand that due to some technological error, you may have missed out in between while joining in and joining out. So that will be marked as attendance, but there may be someone who has just attended for 5 minutes or 10 minutes or very small amount of time. Though that person has called out during the lecture, for that person we will mark them as absent. It does not mean that at the start of the lecture when I call out, you are there and then you drop out. Then also we'll come to know we do those analysis as well. Those are simple analysis, those are automated. That means by click of a button we get everything. So make sure that you do not do those mistakes. If you are attending, attend in full. If you are not attending, it's fine, do not attend. We expect you to attend for 75% at least for each and every subject. We can understand that you all will have some or the other commitments as well. Okay, for example, you are living with your family, you may be going out, you may have some function to attend, X, Y, and Z. You may have your friend's birthday to attend, you may have X, Y, and Z, whatever it is. But so for that, 25% is allowed to you. We will not ask. But if your attendance goes below 75% for each and every subject, okay, it doesn't mean that in one particular subject you have attended 99%, you will get credit of that. No. For all the subjects, you should have a minimum of 75% attendance. If you have 75% attendance, then it is fine. If you do not have it, then you will be in a blacklist, which we get every bi-monthly, so every 2 months. And based on that, whether you will be allowed to give exam or not, that decision will be taken. So today it is 16th of September. So from today onwards, you all know, as I had told you yesterday, that you have your first semester up to 31st of 23rd of December technically, but let us assume up to 31st of December. So you have half of September, October. Then there will be 15 days break in between for Diwali. And then you will have your December again going on. So you will have first blacklist just before your Diwali break. So you will have a chance to cope up and complete it in the second half when we start again after the Diwali break. So make sure that you attend regularly, once in a while, here and there, that is fine. But otherwise, please make sure that you attend. I personally have an habit to upload the lectures on YouTube and giving you the link. But that doesn't mean that each and every teacher will do that. It may be possible that some teachers will record but will not share with you. So you will lose out on it. You will have to ask your friends that what did teacher teach and what are the notes given. My case, I upload the lectures onto YouTube for your benefit. So if you are not there for any reason, you can simply go to YouTube and search for my name and you will get it. By any chance, if you are a subscriber to my YouTube channel, then it is fine. You will get it directly. So make sure that you attend. That is the one important thing I am telling you, that if you don't attend, then you will have to face repercussions for it. If you attend regularly, it's fine, not an issue for us. Please submit all the Assignments on time. I need not have any complaints from any of the teachers saying that a particular student is not submitting X, Y, and Z. Please do not do that. I do not wish to go into those type of things. I'll be taking up financial management for you all. You have Savan sir who will be taking up financial accounting. Uh, Cost accounting will be taken up by Payal madam. You have other four faculties for economics. You know it's Darshana madam. For FC you have Deepika madam. And the other two subjects you will get to know sooner or later. So don't worry about it. Now, do you all have any questions, any queries from your side for anything? Just to update you, I had given you all yesterday also, I am telling you today also that your internal exams will be in the uh, third week or last week of October, somewhere in the third week of October to last week of October, and your semester end exams will be in the third week of December. So make sure that you do not have any plans or you are not planning anything during those times because those will be the exams. Now coming to exams are online. Okay, at least till October we know that it is online. We don't know about what happens post November because currently we have guidelines from university which says that the lectures have to be taken and exams have to be taken online up to 31st of October. So we have that guideline. So we are sure that your first internal will be online. Any which ways internals will be online going forward as well. But whether your lectures will start, whether your exam, semester end exam will be physical in nature, we are not sure about it. When you have your normal lecture, that is your offline lectures, your timings will be 12 to 5:30. If it is an online lecture, the timings are 10 to 3:40. Sometimes it may extend, it may be earlier as well, but you will get that information well in advance. Any doubts, any queries, any questions from your side?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. You have not got your roll numbers, so do not worry about it. I or anyone else will not ask for roll numbers as of now. But at least we know that your attendance can be then taken up later on based on the reports what we get from MS Teams. So we can mark your attendance later on as well from the reports what we get from MS Teams. So do not be mischievous in not attending. We will mark your attendance based on that. Coming to next question, that is textbooks. Uh, I told you all yesterday, I am repeating. Uh, you need to ask your individual faculties regarding the textbook. When it comes to financial management, FM subject, you need not require any textbook to be purchased. All the notes will be given from my side. I'll share all the PDF files onto WhatsApp group of y'all. I'll share even in Teams. So at any given point of time, you can download and keep it. Few things as you know, financial management, it's partly a theory subject, partly a practical subject. So all those practical questions and everything will be there in your notebook. the theory, some part of it I may give you in writing. I may dictate and you may have to write. I may write it on my whiteboard and you will have to copy it. And a few things you will have it on as a PDF file with you all. So not to worry about it. This is the one thing. Another, I wish to, it is a practice for our department that we create leaders during the 3 years. That means we impart to y'all how to be a team member, and we also let you know how to be a team leader. Okay, so what team member and what team leader? Okay, so you all know that there will be lots of activities which will be done from our side. Say for example, we may have to create a group of, say for example, 10 people, and those 10 people will work together for making a PowerPoint presentation. So you will have to work together, right? When you say you will have to work together, there will be one person who will be guiding you all, who will be coordinating between me and everyone else, and there will be others who will be working together in the guidance of one person. So the person who is guiding, can I say that he is a leader of that team and others are team members? So you need to learn that how to work in a team, and you need to also learn how to be a leader of a team. So on the basis of that concept, we call it as a mentor and mentee. A mentor is a person who is looking after a group of students, and a mentee is a team member, I would say, in easy words. So I would like to do those activities right away. Uh, so what I will do is, we have almost around 110 students in the class. I don't know whether the activity will be completed by today end of lecture, but at least let us start, because we need to start somewhere or the other. Once that is in place, then it becomes very easy for us to have a point of contact for you all. It will be also easy for you, that you need not fetch for information from us. You can also go to your mentors who are your team leaders, and they'll give you information. That will also create a bond between you all, because there will be a separate group where you will be talking with each other. So what I wish to do is, those people who wish to be, okay, let me just share my screen with an Excel file so that I can uh, record each and everything, roll numbers and everything, that we can take it up later on, not an issue. Give me a moment. Is my screen visible to you all?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
I hope now it should be.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So Okay. Hmm. So I would like to have about 10 or 12 people at least who would like to be mentors for you all. So who would like to be a mentor? Uh, just call out your names fast.
Akanksha.
Kanksha,
So
if you can just give me
Ifan,
your one by one, I'll be typing. Akanksha, if you
The
can give
spelling
me
is
your
wrong.
last name in. Yeah, if you can just spell out then.
Akankshya.
Okay. If you can
Sir,
just give me your last name,
Akankshya. Between N and S, K is there.
your last name initials.
P.
I am so sorry if I type in your wrong name. I'll be rectifying it based on what you give me. So next, if you can give me someone else.
Harshini Satish Kumar. Harshini.
Okay. Next,
Smriti.
Arfin,
Arfin.
one
Diksha.
by one. Okay, do one
Diksha
thing.
Soni.
Raise your hand. Raise your hands from the option available. I'll take it from there. So I can see 2 or 3 names who. Yeah, we have Soumya Shri. We have. Okay. Now people wait. We have more than what is required. Not an issue. Not an issue. But we have a long list. Preeti, do you wish to or do you not wish to?
Sir, I wish to be a mentor.
so it's Arfin.
Yeah. Yes. People whose name are already written down, you can lower your hand.
Sir, it's Yogita.
Yeah. So sorry.
Sir, it's Nishitha.
Nishitha, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So I hope I have written down all the names. Am I missing on to someone? If anyone wish to be a mentor, you still have a option. Tell me fast. Disha. Okay. Anyone else? So now everyone, what you all have to do is, it's simple. You are a salesperson. Treat yourself as a salesperson as of now, and you will have to attract at least 10 people to be part of your team. So what good things you can do for them, how you can help you out, that you need to speak up. So this 13 people will tell that what things they will do for the mentees, how they can help them progressing ahead. Who is going to start? Or should I call out randomly? I hope I'm audible to you all. Someone is saying that I'm not
Yes.
audible. Yeah. Who is starting up? Ramesh, if you can just unmute and speak up at least for this time, it will be good. You cannot pitch yourself through chat, it becomes very difficult. I I am sure that your hands will be tied up, so you are not able to unmute and speak, but something needs to be done.
So what should we speak?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, that it is simple, that you are pitching out to 100 students, and you need to have best of them. So for them, what are you going to do? As a leader, what all specific things you can do as a mentor, that you can teach them each and every subject. You have to tell your good things, that I have scored this many marks in my 12th standard. This is my marks for accounts or maybe mathematics, and then you will have to say that, okay, I can teach you this subject. I am good at it. I can help you out. I am constantly available online, so for any doubts or queries you can contact me. And you have to build a rapport between you, and it's simple. Vote मांगने जाना है. Who will vote for you? Simple. Prem, even if you are not able to unmute, then I can't help you. At least this time you need to speak. I am fine you doing in chat, but how can you market yourself through chat? I don't understand.
Sir, should I start?
Yes, please. Please go ahead.
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. I'm Sejal Sawant. So, I scored 92%, and I hope that you all will join me, as as I hope I will be a good mentor, as already I have been SIA last year, and I know how to lead a group, and I make you sure that I will help out you in every problem, not only in studies but also other activities. So, I hope you'll join me.
Good suggestion. So I hope others got an idea that what and how you need to pitch yourself. It is not a case where you will not get chance later on. So right now, Sejal spoke about something about her. Now after a point of time, wishes to add on, she can also unmute and speak up. So this activity goes till everybody is fine, saying that yes, I have marketed myself in a good manner, and now it is chance for others to choose their leader. So after Sejal, if somebody wants to go ahead, please
Sir,
unmute and
may I?
speak up. Yes, yes, please. No permissions required. You can start.
Hello everyone, myself Akanksha Patra and I have scored 91% in my HSC board exams, and I can make you assure that I won't be that dominating leader. I will be a good mentor for you, and not only in studies, I will help you in all the activities, as I have managed various events in my junior college also. I have been in Mulund College of Commerce, and I have been the cultural leader there, and I will help you in studies also. And if you want help in other also activities, I can help you. And now I am feeling little nervous, so maybe I'm
Not an issue. Not
like
an issue, Akanksha. Not an issue. You can speak up later on as well. Yeah.
but yeah.
So may I?
Yes, please.
Hello, I'm Kazi Arfin. I've scored 91% in my HSC exams and I've scored good score in other subjects also. I may help you out in if you require my help in other subjects or in making PowerPoint presentations or other
Good.
requirements for assignments. So I can help you out for that. Also, I can become a channel of communication for you if you ever want to clear your doubts through sir. You can ask me and I can help you for that too. Also, if you want me as a good leader or as a good friend, I may be that too. So you can help me out become a leader and reach out to me. I'll reach out to you too. Thank you.
So I'll like to go with next.
Yeah, please go ahead.
So this is Soumya Kamdam. I scored 90% in HSC board exams. I passed out from KJ Somaya Science and Commerce, and I was also assistant HOD in our. Uh, hello.
Yeah, please go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead, Soumya.
Yeah. So wherever we have to reach together. This will be a team. No, like we all have to work together. We'll help each other. We'll learn together. So if you are in my team, it will be fun working together.
Others next.
So may I?
Yes, yes.
Sir, may I?
Yes, one by one,
This is
everyone.
Yogita Lodaya. Sir, shall I continue?
Yes, please. Yes, please go ahead.
This is Yogita Lodaya, and I have scored 90%, and I have completed my junior college from KLE, and I'm from Hubli, Karnataka. I'm good at studies, and I want y'all to join my group. I'll make sure that I give my 100% by helping you all out. If I stuck somewhere, then we can help each other. So I wish that y'all join my group.
Somebody else also wanted to speak.
Sir, may I?
Yes,
Sir,
please.
may I?
Yeah. One by one.
So, a very good afternoon to everyone. My name is Smriti, and I have scored 90.67% in my HSC. And I would like to say that I would be a really friendly kind of leader. If you want anything, you could message me anytime. I would be available every time you need me. So, if you want, don't take me as a leader, because I'll be a really friendly kind of person. And if you actually need anything, I could help you in every subject, I guess. So yeah, I would like you guys to join my group. Thank you.
Next, who is pending to speak up?
Hello everyone. My name is Diksha Soni. I've scored 92% in HSC exam. I think marks does not matter to be a mentor, and I will be with you at every step. And as in OCM last year we have studied Esperet the Corps. Unity is strength. So come in large number and help me and be my team.
I hope the other people who do not wish to be mentored are judging up or are looking at their mentors, and at the back of their mind you are deciding that who will be your mentor.
Sir, I can give a go. Fine.
Yes, please.
Hello all, I am Harshini Satish Kumar. I scored 95% in my HSC and I studied from the same college. Like in my 11th and 10th, 11th and 12th, I was in SIS of Commerce and Economics. This college has really given a lot of platform and I have experienced this college is really nice and I hope I help everyone with their assignments and projects, and not only assignment and project, but also extracurricular activities.
Okay. Harshini, you have messaged in chat saying that you want to remove your name from the mentors list.
Yes, but then I gave it a try.
Okay, not an issue. So
Okay.
I'm keeping your name.
Okay.
About Disha and Nishita. What happened? Nishita, Disha, would you be a mentor or not? You do not wish to.
No, sir.
Why? What happened? Any specific reason? It's not an extra load of work for you. Give it a try, Nishita. Okay, now those people who cannot unmute and speak up, I give you a chance to write down in chat. People, please look about your mentors who will be writing down in chat. So we have Reena who will be writing down in chat. We'll have Isha who will be writing down in chat. We have Ramesh who will be writing down in chat. We'll have Prem who will write in chat. So Prem, Ramesh, Reena, Disha, if you can just write down in chat a small note for your friends. For others, those who spoke up and would like to add up to your points, you can unmute and speak up. For those who were not part of initial part of mentor list but now feel that yes, you want to be a mentor, can still give your name. I'll add up to that list. Yes, please try.
So can I give a try?
Yes, please.
Okay, so I am Ifa Sheikh and I've done my junior college from MMK College of Commerce and Economics from Bandra West. And for the past 2 years also, I was as the CR of my college, of my class. And according to my teachers, I was a very good CR, a class representative, as I could handle all the uh, problems and all the problems of my classmates very well, and I was quite helpful as well. And the same performance will be given here as well. I will give my time and proper guidance to everyone needed by me. And also, I will be in a proper communication with everyone. I am quite friendly and helpful as well, and I accept all the creative and new ideas. And that's it. So, if you like me, then I'm okay for the mentor. Thank you.
So should I add something?
Yes, please. Forum is yours.
Yes, so I'm Sejal. As I told you, I was already a CR. I was in SK Somaya. So I would like to add that I'm not like I'm as a mentor. I will suggest something and you have to follow that. In my group, all the team members, I'll give the equal opportunity and we'll together do the project or assignment, everything. I'll make sure that every idea I'll respect it and I'll work with you. So I think you should think about me and be in my group. Thank you.
Isha has written a note for y'all. Ramesh has written a note for y'all. I'll read out the note from Disha. Uh, Disha, she says that I am Disha. I was in Poddar College and got 93% in my HSC. I have a good background in leadership and speaking skills. I will aim to be a reliable and a sincere CR. Yes, not an issue. Next, we have a note from Reena as well. Reena says that here myself, Reena, I scored 84.33 in HSC. I completed my HSC from in St. Xavier's, Kanjurmarg. I hope I will do my job in a good way and I'll make sure I'll be a good friend for you. We have a note from Ramesh as well. He says, hello folks, myself Ramesh. I am sorry I cannot unmute myself due to some issues. Well, the point I want to say is score doesn't matter for me, like we everyone are now in same class. Let's interact and help each other. I may need your help and you may need my help. Let's help each other and be interactive. We have a note from Sharwani as well. She says, hi, myself Sharwani Deshmukh scored 90.33% in my HSC board exams. I will be I will help you with your studies and also other things. If you are interested in joining me, you can. We'll make a good team and progress in a lot better. Thank you. So I have added your name, Sharwani, Ramesh, Disha, and Reena. Your names are already there. So is there still someone else who would like to be part of it? Still, we are open. Okay. So now what practice we have to do is I'll share a link of Google Form. I repeat, I'll share a link of Google Form. In that Google Form, you will have to write down your email ID. You will have to write down your full name, two things. And there is the whole list of mentor which we have in front of you. The 15 names which are there on your screen, those names will be there. You will have to select any one of it. Okay, one mentor will have a maximum of, I repeat, one mentor will have a maximum of 10 people. So those people who are first to select a mentor will be part of it. So the 11th or the 12th person will not get a chance. You'll have to choose someone else, but you will not get to know now. Okay, only once I publish those things in front of you, you will get to know. Okay, so make sure that you fill up that form fast and select your mentor which you would like to be part of. Mentors, you need not fill the form. I repeat, mentors, you need not fill the form.
Sir, can you repeat?
This is not for the FM subject. This is for an overall work. Okay. So for example, it is something like there has to be a submission of say, there are various submissions which you will have to do at university level and office level as well. So for example, some data is required. Okay. The data in regards to your name, roll number, specific format. So what we can do is, if I try to reach out 100 students, it becomes very difficult, it becomes confusing. So what type of channel we do is, I will pass the message to these 10 mentors. This 10 mentors will pass on the message to 10 students. So you will have to coordinate with your mentor. Your mentor will give you a deadline saying that give me these details which is required from the college in maybe in 2 hours. So mentor will collect those data and give it to me. So I need not run behind 100 students, but I have to just take details from 10 students. Those are the 10 mentors. Okay, Disha, that's fine. If you still do not wish to go ahead, I'll just remove your name from here as well as from the Google form. We still have to select a CR. CR will be the head of all the mentors, leader ka leader. So that's not an issue. Harshini, now do not back out at the last moment. I think you can do it. Disha, I also think you can do it. Why do you want to back out at this moment? I don't understand. Last final call. Tell me, yes or no? Would you like to continue or no? I am about to give the form. Okay, Disha. Harshini, I am going ahead with you.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Everyone is requested to fill the form as soon as possible. So you get your chosen mentor. Yes, these mentors are there only for first year back. These mentors will not continue for second year. Second year will have new set of mentors. So at least in a period of 3 years, we have 35, 40 different people who have that chance of being a leader for at least a year. So the form is there in the meetings available. In the meeting chat, you can see the form link. Please fill it up. Nishita, your name is there in the mentor. If a large crowd selects you, Nishita, you will be a mentor. I'll be transparent enough. I'll share the whole data with everyone. निशिता अभी 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 वापस जाने का मौका नहीं है. If large people select it,
सर
you
मैंने
will have.
पहले ही बोला था.
No, 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 no. करना पड़ेगा. I'll help you out ना. I am there ना. We will not load you up with an extra work. It's not a load. It's
Sir,
about just.
can I add anything?
Yes.
May I add
So do
something?
we have to write our personal email ID or that edu one?
Anyone, any email ID will be fine.
Okay.
Arshin, you can go ahead. Whatever you wanted to speak.
Everyone, please choose your leaders wisely. We'll all look forward to help you. And there's nothing like a competition or anything. You can choose anyone you want, and we'll all try to help you. Thank you again.
So we have about 17, 18. Khushbu, it's not working. Akshay, you can just unmute and speak up.
Oh,
No need
sir.
to write. Khushbu, I think we have got
Sorry to
about,
interrupt, sir.
yeah, please
But
go ahead.
actually, I'm not able to open the phone.
Yeah, I have got already about 21, 22 people, so I don't think actually there is any problem. You can just close and open up again. If you wish to, I can send that link into WhatsApp group as well, but generally my activities I don't wish to take up with other faculties over there in the group. So I make it. I am continuously getting the responses. I'll just share that screen as well. So you'll come to know about it. See, there is continuous feed of data from your side. See. Just click on that link again and do it. I hope those who are not able to open up are now able to open up and fill up the data.
No, sir.
Close that browser, open up the browser again with the link. Maybe internet issue, if the speed is little less, it may create problem. As you can see there's a continuous flow of data coming up. I think Khushi could do it now.
Yes, sir.
Shruti, Khushbu, we are almost about 89, 90 people in the class. We have got only 40 from your side, so maybe there may be 98 in class, but 40 only. There may be ghost people in the class who have just logged in but not listening and taking up activities.
Sir,
Yes.
Some people, the form isn't opening at all.
yeah, sir, the form isn't opening. So can I try with my sister's phone or something like that? The mail would be
Anything
from
is
her.
fine. That's not an issue
Okay,
for
great,
me.
sir.
That's not a
Okay,
problem. You
sir.
can do it from anywhere. Send a link again. Or do I send on WhatsApp if you want? If it's not opening from Teams, I can send you up from WhatsApp. It is quite possible that as everyone is doing, it may have stuck up somewhere, but those people who were complaining earlier are now able to do so. The no one, you backed out, so everyone is thinking why should you select? Why one will select you? You shouldn't have backed out. That is not good leadership.
So it's not opening still.
How can I help you now? Like 60 students have filled up. I'll just give you from the chat and the WhatsApp. You can switch on your data, like from Wi-Fi to mobile data or something like that.
Okay.
Try doing those things. I've given that form in the WhatsApp group as well. Check. People who are saying it is not working, you can see that I am getting continuous feed from that same link. Like I don't understand how am I supposed to help you then? From that same link, your friends are able to do, which you can see on your screen. I hope people are smart enough that you are seeing that specific people are been selected more than 10 times. So you should not select that person, but you have to select someone else, because you are not going to get that person as a leader. So your second chance, second person has to be taken up. People filling up twice and thrice, only the first selection will be taken up. Those pending, fill up form fast. See, there are people who are helping you out. They are saying that try switching your mobile network. You can copy the link and paste it in the Google. That will help you. Let's complete this first. Okay. I am not. I am closing the acceptance of the form now, and it is 83, as you can see on the screen, that we have received responses from 83 people. Let's now analyze and see who wants to go where. 84 fast. Your friend is saying, John is saying that it will not open up in some Wi-Fi network. It will open if you open it in your mobile data only. So I don't know. This is weird little bit, but it's fine if you can just see what can be done. Last minute at 3:15, I'm closing. Then you can speak out whom you wish to go for, and if there is a place available, then we can surely take you up there. It's 3:15. I'm closing. Now you won't be able to open up and see anything. Give me a moment. I'll take up data and share with you all. Okay. Who wants to be the CR of the class? The CR of the class. I want one male, one female for being a CR, and one male and female for being a DR. That is 4 people who will be coordinating with visiting faculties with us. Okay, we have one. Raise your hand fast, chalo. Daksh, we have one Daksh. 2, 3. Okay, a long list again. Very good. Very good, very good. Now wait, do not lower your hands. Do not lower your hands. Wait. We'll see what can be done. Do not lower your hands. Now let us open up your mentor-mentee selection and see who all form part of a group for a particular mentor. Let's see that. So this is the data received. Let us first filter out one by one. Let's take, yeah, okay, so this many people have selected, and you can see that these are the first 10 people who have selected Akshaya. So take this people as list. Next whom do we have? We have Harshini. So for Harshini, we have 11 people. We'll take the top 10 for Harshini. We have Smriti. For Smriti as well, we have more than 10. So we take top 10. After Smriti, we have Soumyashri. For Soumyashri, we have 9. Fine, not an issue. We will have people who may have not selected and add up to you and make a list of 10. After Soumyashri, we have Reena. For Reena, we have 5, but I can see a repetition as well in Reena, not an issue. We have one person who was selected as Preen. We have 3 people. Prem, you yourself have filled up a form? Yes, Prem? Or is it someone else? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
So Prem, have you yourself filled up the form? No answers from Prem. As of now, we keep it as it is. Ramesh, next. We have 7 people for Ramesh. Next is Sejal. Sejal, we have more than 10. Next we have Yogita. Do we have Yogita? We don't have Yogita over here. Have one person, Diksha.
Sir, uh, hello,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
Sir, I am in Akanksha's team.
Yeah, if you have chosen twice,
Yes, sir, by mistake.
okay. You are already part of first 10 in Akanksha.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So there was no one who had selected for Sarvani. That's why. Let's see now what can be done for those groups which are small enough, or those groups where we do not have anyone. Okay. Now I want people to call out, or you can write down in chat, people who would like to go for the team of Reena. For Reena, if you can just write down in chat your names. You can write Reena in chat. Faster it is better. We have 6 places for Reena. You are not there in any of the groups, you know about it, right? You can see, though you have selected someone, but you are still not part of that group because you had selected late. We have places in Reena, we have places in Arfeen, Prem, Ramesh. We have places, we have for Diksha, we have for Ifa. Places are still pending. Other places we don't have. Or should I start adding names randomly? Now I am not getting any chat from your side. Yes, Kuti, what happened? Where would you like to go for? From where would you like to go for Shaumyashri? What is the name? Shruti, is that correct now? Harshini, the group is full. No one can be added over here. No one can be added in Harshini's group. Akshaya, Harshini, Smriti, Soumya Shri, no one can be added. That's full. Sejal's group is also full. We have Reena's group, we have Diksha's group, Ifa's group, Prem's group, Arfin's group, and Ramesh's group. Three people are already part of a group as a mentor or a mentee. I can see 83 people already part of group. Shweta, that's fine, but already there were more than 10, so nothing can be done. Yogita, let me see. I don't think somebody. I'm acting as per what people are writing down in chat. Disha, where would you like to go then? Then fine, not an issue. I think most of y'all are already part of somewhere or the other. 9 people are there. Anyone pending? Fast. Disha's group is full now, as you all can see. Now I could see Shubham writing 3 times. See, this is the final list what I can show y'all. This is what it is as it stands based on your selection in the in the Google form and then through chat. We have one place for Harshini. Shubham had written twice, so nothing could be done over there. Not adding anyone to Harshini's group. Let it be one shot over there. I'm merging this group over here and replacing it like this. And Prem, Ifa, Prem and Ramesh, we will add people who are not there today. Reena as well, we will add people to your group later on who are not there today, who couldn't select. Where would you like to go? Sarvani, where would you like to go? Fast. योगिता बोलो कहाँ जाना है? योगिता, Harshini's group. If you are left out, please tell me fast. कहाँ जाना है? I had already given you option. Aryan, go with Prem. चलो. Aryan is already there. I cannot see Aryan anywhere.
Sir, I'm in Prem's group.
You're in Prem's group, right? I can see, yeah.
Okay.
Anyone pending? Any name pending? There are lots of messages in the group.
Sir.
Yes. Aryan बोलो.
Sir, can I join Ifa's group?
ठीक है. हो गया बराबर?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Anyone pending? Any dual names? If somebody can spot out any names which are written twice or thrice, check.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, please go ahead.
Okay. Sir. Hello.
Yeah. Who's there?
Sir, I'm Murshida. I want to join in IFA's group.
No. Where is your name right now? Diksha.
Not Diksha, sir. It's Murshida. Yeah.
You were there in Disha's group. Now you were shifted to Ifa.
Okay.
Sorry. Shweta. Now you have chance. Shubha. Shweta, your name is already there in Diksha's group. Shubha's name was not there. Shubha gets a place.
Sir, Bhanushri's name is written twice in Reena's group.
Yes, thank you so much. I'm closing down this activity now. Now coming to CR India. Chalo, last call. Chalo. Anyone left out, unmute and speak up. I'm not looking at chat. Anyone left out? Nath group is full. Sejal group is full. Shree's group is full. Smriti's group is full. Harshini's group is full. Akanksha's group is full.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can you add my name in Diksha's group?
Diksha's group is full now. Who's someone else? Others, if you can mute yourself. Ayushi, right?
Yeah.
Ayushi Sangvi. Ayushi, check your spelling.
Sir, in Sangvi, SANGHAVI. GHAVI.
அவங்களுக்கு எனக்கு இந்த அமௌண்ட் ஓகேன்னா மட்டும் தான் நானே செய்வேன். சப்போஸ் வந்து அந்த அமௌண்ட்ல அவங்க கம்மியா கொடுக்குறாங்க.
Okay, so we have 6 people who are saying that they would like to be an overall leader. If you are a mentor, I would not select you. So we have IFA not an option this time, at least next year.
Okay, sir, no problem.
Yeah, dual roles will be a problem. Bolo. 2 CRs, 2 DRs. Bolo, jaldi. Yogita, Sharvani, Vidhi. We have 5. बॉयज में तो कोई नहीं है, सब किसी को कुछ काम करना ही नहीं है, किसी को कुछ लीडरशिप देखना ही नहीं है, हम आराम करेंगे. Okay, let's do one thing. 5 of y'all, you please speak up. What would you like to do for the class, one by one? I know I'm overshooting, but this activity has to be done and completed today itself. Give me 10-15 more minutes extra, but we will complete it. Polo, Khushbu, speak up.
So can I speak up?
Yes, please, Daniel, go ahead.
Yes. So hello guys, my name is Daniel. So yeah, just now you can see that I have raised my hand to be the CR. So first of all, let me give you a small introduction about me. So my name is Daniel, and I'm Tamil, of course, but I live in Bhandup. I would not like to go that deep into my personal information, so I would just like to tell you what I would like to do. And I've seen that many of you are kind of afraid to speak up. Yes, of course, it is a new place, and we don't know each other so yet. And the main reason for that is that we are currently communicating through online, and if it was an offline mode, we would be more friendly enough. So to bridge that gap, I would like to say that we can all be in a community together. I would encourage everyone to speak up, because the more we progress in life, it is the more important tool, the communication. So I encourage everyone to communicate whatever they want, whatever their problems are, whatever their disputes are, and I would like to resolve them in a quick and efficient manner. So that's all about me, and that's all I wanted to communicate. Thank you.
Thank you, Daniel. Next, Vidhi, Yogita.
Teacher, sir, should I go?
Yes, please go ahead.
So, hi everyone, my name is Kriti Shah and I'm staying in Radgopar. I scored 90% in my HSC exam and I did my junior college from KJ Somaya Arts and Commerce. So, I never usually get involved in such activities, but this time I just thought of going it. Like, I just thought of giving it a shot. So, I
here I go. And I'll be really happy if you vote for me. And I promise that I'll be very kind, humble, and gentle. Thank you.
Okay, Khushbu. Next, we have Vidhi Yogita.
So should I go ahead?
Yes, please.
Yeah. Hello, guys. My name is Vidhi, and I did my junior college from SK Somaya Junior College. And so far as for communication, as being the CR, I was the CR for 2 years continuously, consecutively for 11th and 12th as well. And as for the communication skills or the coordinating skills, I was the GS of my college, that is the General Secretary for the last year, that is the 12th standard. And I'm pretty sure that I'm very well good at communicating with each other, and I might be encouraging and helpful for you as well, because I'm quite experienced for this thing, I guess. So I hope you guys vote for me or select me as a CR, because I think I'm good at this job, and I can do it well. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Yogita. I have never tried this post. This is my first time, and I hope I give justice to the post. So please, guys, do vote me. I want to try to give my best. I want to see whether I am capable for this post or no.
Okay. Again, guys, the same process. We would like to be, you know, very transparent enough when it comes to selection. So we have 4 names. What am I doing is, I am again circulating a Google form, wherein the top 2 people for CR. Okay, you will have to select. You will have to select 2 people. One CR and one DR for you. Please do not select the same person as DR. What is the DR? DR is nothing but in place of CR. If CR is not able to do, then DR is able to do. Okay, so it's an additional person what we have. So we'll have 2 CRs and one CR and one DR. You'll have to select the person who is getting the highest number of votes. Is the CR and DR. So the class, it is the class who is selecting. Stuti, yes, I'll just check the name and correct it. So it is the whole class who is selecting. So make sure that you select a person who you feel is good enough to lead the whole class and will help you out going ahead. So you have to select one person as CR and one person as DR. I'm giving you Google form in a minute. I'm just creating it. Give me a moment. You have to select one person as CR and one person as DR. If somebody wants to add up while people are filling up the form, then you can just unmute yourself and speak up directly. So it is simple. Write your name, select your CR and DR. A person getting the highest vote goes for it. I'll be waiting for 85 responses. For that, I'll stop it. I'm giving the link in the chat section, and in a minute you will get in the WhatsApp group as well. There's no rush, but do complete it fast. I hope people are filling up the form. They are able to fill up the form. Yes. It's a tight race, people. I'm not sharing screen for obvious reasons. I'll share that later on. But it's a very tight race right now going on. We have about 60 people who have already voted. 62. Those who have not, please vote up fast. We'll be waiting for you all. 90 people in class. We are 98. All of a sudden, somebody ran away. We have two people saying that they have some issues, not able to vote. Fine, not an issue. We'll take up your votes later on. You can write down in chat, okay? Both of you all, you can write down in chat. Whom would you like to go for CR and whom would you like to go for DR? We have 77 enough. I'm closing down the responses and I'll share the screen with you all. So out of 77 people, almost majority of y'all have voted for VD to be CR of the class, and at the same time, majority of y'all wants Daniel to be the DR of the class. So the results are pretty clear, wherein Daniel was second favorite even in CR, and VD is second favorite even in your DR. So congratulations, Vidhi and Daniel, to be CR and DR. Vidhi will be the class representative, and in place of Vidhi, if Vidhi is not available, Daniel will look after it. It will be a joint effort between Vidhi and Daniel to go ahead and do things. Congratulations to both of y'all. Congratulations to all the mentors to get the group, and congratulations to all the mentees to trust and give support to your mentors. I really feel that this should be a starting point for you all to have a good bond amongst yourself and create a good environment of the class. When it's a physical class, you get to meet each other, you get to know each other. Here, it being physical, at least in the FY, you would not get to meet each other, but connecting each other through online platform will be helpful. So, congratulations to each and everyone. I'll be posting up the group members, and actually everyone knows who is there in whose group. And maybe next week when we have a lecture of FM, those who are pending, not their part of any group, will assign some mentors and fill up them with the group as per the places available. VD, now I want VD, Daniel, and all the mentors. I repeat, I want VD, Daniel, and all the mentors. That is Akshaya, Harshini, Smriti, Soumya Shri, Reena, Ifa, Prem, Ramesh, Sejal, and Diksha to message me on WhatsApp group. We will have a separate group apart from the normal group where I can post you information and you can go ahead and fetch information from other people or get the work done. For FM, I am telling you, it is for FM, not for any other subject. These will be your group members for any project. So for FM, I am not going to take up any activity again for you all to form a group. This people will be part of the group for you all for the whole semester, this semester, and in the next semester, whatever subjects I take up, even for that, this groups remain same unless and until if I feel that there should be a change, then we'll make a change. Otherwise, the groups remain same for one full year. For next year, everything changes and we'll do accordingly. I hope I was fair enough with everyone to assign someone to select people. I hope I have given opportunity to each and everyone to speak up. I hope I have given opportunity to everyone to select your mentors or select your CRs and DRs. If I did not give any opportunity, I'm so sorry, but due to the time available, I think I have given justice to everyone. Again, all the mentors, CR and DR, please message me personally. I'll share with you all a group link where you join yourself and we'll have a whole team working together. Thank you so much everyone for the lecture. We'll meet up next time. I think you must have got my lecture schedules. If you can see, it will be Wednesdays and Thursdays. Every Wednesdays and Thursdays we'll have FM lecture. You must have got the invite. You can check up the calendar. If there is any change, I'll let you know. Thank you so much everyone. Have a nice time.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome everyone. You all are free to leave.